Do you see what I was talking about? The strength of VWAP. I don't need to put a bunch of risk when if it can't hold, where is it going to go? I'll give you one hint. Yep, that's right. So why would I put a bunch of inherent risk when I should have my stop right here, which I did, for the potential move to go to the upside? Because if it can't, there's only one place to go.
Expose the cranium.
And this is super good information, Coach. I mean, just again, going back to the risk reward,
Yes,
you have the chance of that big candle paid bank.
that's right. Absolutely. Absolutely. And in my mind, right, I know I do this fast a lot, but in my mind, I'm always calculating this. See the double top on MSTR?
Mm-hmm.
So this is going down. Where's it going to go? Right to here. Now it's at a critical level, and I could trade off of this level. I can do it every time. If this stays below 328.50, I'm going to short it. Where's it going to go if it goes below there? Most likely close to VWAP. Right? If not, so I'm going to short it. I'd have a stop right here. There's my puts. As it gets closer, I shed. If I had 10, I get rid of 50%. This is the move right there. If it pops back up, so what? My stop is so tight here, I don't care. The risk to reward is, this is the risk. This is the reward. Does that make sense? And that is how you need to be as a trader. But in my head, I am always thinking about that. And there's your pull. There's your payoff. Didn't I just say that? That's the pull off or payoff, right? There it goes. Did everybody see it? That's live for you. But I can do this.
Got me some of that, Coach.
I can do this over and over and over and over and over. I can do this 6,000 times a day. I hope that makes sense to everybody. Like, I'm not trading because I'm training you. Did anybody get in, by the way, while I was discussing it, did anybody get into MSTR on that?
I sure did. Eating it up. Thank you, Coach.
Very welcome. This is what I mean. So if you guys look at these and we start practicing our risk to reward ratio, look at your risk was so small and your payoff, by the way, you should be making a ton of money. A ton. That is a $3 3-point move. 328 to 325. That is a 3-point move, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Muln. Here we go. Perfect example again. Look at the risk to reward. I'm going to enter now. I'm in. Right here. $8.32 is my stop. Close. Stop. $8.32. Let's see where it puts it. 8.30. I don't even know if it'll let me do that. Oh, yep. Why is that? Because it's right below VWAP. And then, right, because I know my risk, right, because I know how many shares I have, and I know what my risk to reward is. Because the other thing I can do is I could just scoot this up tighter, right? But I want this to have a little bit of range. Why? Because I have $300 in the trade. If I had, see there, boom. Again, do I want to be in the trade if it can't stay above VWAP?
No.
Not at
No.
all. No. Hell
Not
no.
enough, not
Gotta
enough
stay in
support.
Exactly. Now right here. Now what it did is it touched at one. I was off by 0.2 cents. It hit 183. So I should have been 183, but whatever. The moral of the story is if it cannot hold, and this is why I love trading around VWAP, especially with these smalls, and then I can go smalls, small entries. Because the risk to reward is huge. Look at the reward. It's up here around $1.99. And my risk was what? Maybe $1.50 risk I put in there because I had $300 total and it moved less than 2 cents, right? So again, always with the risk, which was here. Well, let me rephrase that. I bought it like here, and the risk was to here. This is my risk zone. But my reward zone was from here to here. You see the difference? Look at the
Yep.
difference. I will take that trade all day long. That is at least a 5-to-1. Sure, it costed me $1.50, right? But it could have made off of this, right? $20, $10, whatever it would have been. SPY, by the way, pulling right here, just like this, right here. Look, where are we at? This is in your video. Look at where you're at. You see this? This is a triple bottom. You should already know what to do. Here, here, and here. Look how long it took to get back here. Big moves. If that cannot hold here, where's it going to go? If it breaks and holds, where's it going to go? So isn't this a nice one to trade? Right here. There it goes long. There it goes.
Calls are dirt cheap.
Oh, yeah, but look at it. So right here, if I bought them, I could have a stop at, this 434.33. Why? Risk to reward. This is my risk. This is my reward. Do you see it? What is the rule, guys? How do we determine a break and hold?
Either a big long candle above or the next candle closes above.
There you go. And isn't this a big long candle?
Yes.
Yep. So why? So let's do this. Why would I say it's good off a long candle? Can anybody explain why?
Because it would
Because
take
you've got a lot of volume.
to regress down.
Because it takes a long time, that's right, to come back.